Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn your plants into a seed again and grow a garden. If you go to your inventory, well, you need to buy it first. So it's in the gear shop. It is called the Reclaimer, this one. And I think you can also get it from completing the quest up here. You're going to select it and you're going to go to the plant you want to make a seed again. I'm just going to do it on a small plant because I don't want to regrow the bigger plants here. I'll just do it on a tomato. And then it says, are you sure this plant will be destroyed and turn into a seed? Confirm. And it's just going to turn into a seed again. I don't quite know what the point is, if I'm being honest, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.